Hi guys, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Fefarater Cole. It's so good and so nice to be here in the studio again to film with you guys. So if you are stopping by, do well to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I know you will like it already because I'm going to do the viral makeup trend. You guys, I am obsessed with TikTok, and I know a lot of people are obsessed with TikTok, and TikTok is one thing that is going crazy. Everybody's doing different thing, everybody's doing their own thing, and I have come across a lot of viral makeup trend, and now we want to make this face go viral. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely do stick around with me and let's keep on watching. The viral makeup arc, we're applying the lipstick. I'll put a video somewhere you guys can see, like a lot of you guys know about it. We're putting the concealer, like lifting up the face. I'm going to be trying out all those techniques on my face today. So but before I start this technique, the first thing you need to do is to prime, because without priming is a big crime. So I'm actually going to use this primer, this AO Perfect Flitter Primer. This is one of my favorite primer I've been using a long time now. So I'm going to be using this primer to prime up my face. Going with this lipstick from Huda Beauty, the lipstick, and this is in the shade Liquid Matte Spice Girl. I don't know if this lippy is kind of really red, so let me put a video somewhere and so you guys will see. She actually applied this right here on her face, like two stroke on her cheek. Oh my god! At the bridge of her nose. So now I'll be going in with the big brown to just blend it out. I hope I am not going too crazy. Then she applied, she blended this with a brush. I really went on top of this Spice Girl with another red matte liquid lipstick. So let me work really fast. I think I'll be loving this. On my forehead. Just kind of, I told you guys you need to walk really fast. So this other, so I blended the red lipstick on my face, and now the next thing she did is going up with the concealer, and this concealer trend is one of lifting up the face, and I've been trying this technique out for the past few months now, and it's really working well for me. I'll show you guys into this video how this arc really works. Concealer in the shade Toffee, and this is one concealer I really like. So I'll be going in my inner tear dots right here and lifting up the face, which is right here. I think this is the makeup trend of 2021, and a lot of people will tend of doing their makeup this way, and it's so good. Like, trying this is so good. Quick spoiler alert, I've tried this concealer arc before trying it into this video, so that's why I'm telling you guys I love this technique. So put it right here, then lift up the face. Everything lift up, lift up. Like the way she blend with me. To blend this in, and you guys can see the lifting right here. So if you apply this to your makeup routine, I think it will be very okay. So let's go ahead and blend everything in. So I'm all blended in and everything is in. So I'm going with my two foundation. I'll be using the Flawless Ivy foundation in shade Ebony, and I'm using the Maybelline foundation in the Super Stay Full Coverage foundation in 375. So I'll be mixing these two shades. Like, this is one of my best combo when I use on myself. I use always on myself. So I'll be mixing these two foundations together to just actually apply now on my face. Like you guys can see, it's half a pump of each of them. To make it one pump will go all over my face. That's what I'll do. I'll just mix these two shades together. It's color. It's not showing me the color of my foundation. I think I need to go more. The main purpose of doing this to accomplish everything is just that using a lot and full coverage of foundation, because I'm actually applying just one pump of foundation and it didn't go anywhere to cover up this redness I'm getting. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think I have redness all over my face, and it will just be easier. I love the arc and I love the trend now, like just putting your concealer in the inner corner and lifting up your face. I love this one. I actually do love that concealer arc, and I've been doing that for a month now. And this blush, liquid blush and matte blush together, I don't know if because I use matte blush, I think it's not going well with me, and I'm using too much of foundation just to cover everything up, but I am looking like a back with you guys and show you guys the finished look. Okay, let me quickly set up my face. Like I said earlier, I like the concealer arc, I like the concealer trend, I love it so much. But this lipstick trend, I think applying your foundation first before putting the lipstick and blend it out very well before adding too much of it. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you actually like this video, just give it a thumbs up, because it will help the algorithm grow and it will help me grow. It will help me meet other people out there. So do it to subscribe to my channel and join the Fefarater family. I love you guys so much and sticking around with me. Bye guys. But you can actually click these two videos right here and watch more on my channel. I have a lot of makeup tutorials. I have my makeup tutorials. I have a lot. Just click and watch more. Watch it.